Hey y'all, I am really excited to be able to share this wig with y'all today for a couple of reasons. One, because it is an affordable Remy human hair wig, and secondly, because this wig was sent to me to review from a personal friend of mine who just started her own wig company. Her desire was to be able to offer affordable human hair wigs. If you research human hair wigs at all, you will discover they are extremely expensive. And a lot of times it's just not an option for many of us. But there are companies out there that offer affordable human hair wigs that have just as wonderful quality, the same comfort in their caps, and all of the features that we're looking for in a human hair wig at an affordable price. And this wig is from BACKSTAGE Beauty Company, and the name of the wig is Samantha. I'm going to give you all the details of the wig and where to order and all that good stuff. Keep on watching. When you receive your wig, it comes in this beautiful purple box from BACKSTAGE Beauty, and they label it with their website and also their phone number where they can be contacted, and they ship out of the United States. So when you open it, the wig is nicely packaged in a purple bag. Do y'all see a theme here? And you also receive a wig cap, and you want to use the wig cap to try the wig on when you receive it. And there's also a purple wig stand, and I was really excited to see this because I've never seen a wig stand included in a package. And she also sends her business card to let you know where she can be contacted. And then you get an insert in the box that lists all the helpful information. First of all, about a return. If you need to return your wig, they do accept returns within 3 days, and she'll tell you all about how you can do that. And then it also lists some helpful information about the wig, what return hairs are and how you can treat those, color runoff, if there's any shedding, how to brush your human hair wig, as well as washing and conditioning. So you want to hold on to this and just have it to refer back to when you receive your wig. Now I'm going to step back so you can see how long Samantha is. On the website it's listed as 24 inches of Remy Brazilian human hair. In my opinion, I think it's a little longer than that. I could not find my measuring tape, but I feel like it's closer to 26 inches. I mean, look, it goes all the way down to the middle of my stomach, and y'all know I have longer measurements. I have a 22.5 circumference, 7-inch face, 4.5-inch neck, so wigs typically look shorter on me. So if it looks this long on me, just think about your measurements and how long it will be on you. Now if it is too long for your preference, you can order it in other lengths. You can also order it in other cap sizes, and you can also order it in other cap styles. Now, you see, this is the way that it naturally air dries. You can order it also in the straight texture, but if you're looking for a wavy textured wig, this is it, y'all. This is the way Samantha air dries. This wig has been shampooed and conditioned and turned upside down while it air dried, and this is the texture that you get on Samantha. Let's look at it all the way around and look how it moves. It's just so natural. Now you have 150 density on Samantha. It's denser here at the top, and as it goes longer to the ends, it gets thinner, which I think adds to the natural appearance of the wig. Now if 150 density is too much for you, then you can also order it in 130 density. You can thin out the wig because it's human hair. You can take it to your stylist. They can put layers in it for you. You can add bangs. You can do so much. I feel like it would just make this wig look even more beautiful by adding some layers in it, some bangs. I mean, that's what I would do. I would just just give all the layers, give all the bangs, just make this wig your own. It's got a lot of potential, y'all. For it to be an affordable human hair wig, right now on the website it's listed for $670. Y'all, that is amazing. For the quality of this hair, it's super soft. You've got a really comfortable cap. The Remy Brazilian human hair, I'm telling you, $670 is an amazing price point for this wig. Now, let's talk about the shade. I'm going to read it because I don't want to get it wrong, because this is the way that it's listed on the website. It's listed as Sun-Kissed Sand, and it is a light sandy brown base with neutral sunny blonde highlights, and there's no dark brown root on it. And that, I think, really accurately describes it. There's that neutral sandy brown, and then here's your light blonde highlight, and it's creating all of that dimension in the style. And then, as I told you, there's not a dark brown root on it. Now let's look at the hairline. It's on a 13x6 lace frontal wig, so you're going to have the option to part it in any direction. And here's the lace front. This lace front is so good, y'all. It looks so natural. Because you don't have that dark root, you don't have the dark knots, and it just adds to the natural appearance. Really impressed with this hairline. Now, when you receive Samantha, it comes with the lace, so you will have to trim the lace. There are lots of YouTube videos that show you how to trim lace on human hair wig. It's really easy to do. Don't panic when you get that lace front. I know it's intimidating. The first time I did it, I was like, oh, scary. But just find you a YouTube video and it'll guide you. It's really simple to do. Now what we want to do now is I'm going to take the wig off, show you the cap construction. I'm going to go outside and show you the shade in the sunlight, and we are also going to style it. I'm going to put some curl in Samantha and see what it looks like curled. I'm really anxious to do that, so stick around. This is a 13x6 lace frontal cap. You have a generous amount of lace here at the top that you can part in any direction. You can part down the middle, to the right, or to the left, to the left, to the left. And then you have combs that are sewn in on the ears. You don't have an ear tab, but you do have this comb that you can slide under your wig grip or your bio hair or your wig cap. If you don't desire the combs, then you can also easily take those out. It is close wefted in the back, and you have a generous amount of stretch, so it would comfortably fit a 23-inch circumference. Now, if the average cap is too large, you can also order it in other sizes, as well as other cap styles. You're given a transparent lace that was actually very comfortable, y'all, in the short amount of time that I had it on. You're also given a band that gives you extra security that you can place under your nape that keeps it from sliding up. If you don't want that, then you can also remove it carefully with a seam ripper. You're also given an extended nape that has a piece of lace that is sewn onto that nape that helps to create a natural look if you pull the hair off of your neck and you want to create an updo. You're also given hook strap adjusters that you can adjust in to meet your circumference or pull them out if you need to move it further back. So it is a really comfortable cap, y'all. I was really surprised at how nice and comfortable it compares, y'all. It truly compares to the higher end human hair wig caps that I have tried on before. And just like that, we went from daytime Samantha to nighttime Samantha. Y'all, this wig curled up beautifully. What I did was I curled it with a curling iron last night, woke up this morning and just loosened it with my fingers, and this was the result. What I used was this Tress XL. You can find it on Amazon. I'll link it in the description box below. And what is great about this curling iron is that it has an extra long barrel. So if you're curling a wig that has length such as Samantha, you get all that hair on this extra long barrel. It also has the tip that will move as you twist the curling iron, and then the swivel cord doesn't tangle as you're moving the curling iron. And I used the 1-inch barrel that creates these beach style waves. It also comes in the 1 1/4-inch barrel. You want to make sure that you always use a heat protectant before you style your wig, just to protect it from the damage. And in between, I like to use a heatless curl method just to extend the life of the wig. So let's look at Samantha on all sides after she has been styled. So which way do y'all prefer, Samantha? Do you prefer it with a natural look or with the style look? I'm curious to find out what you think. So if you want to purchase Samantha, I'm going to link the website in the description box below. When you click on that website, what it will do, it'll take you directly to Facebook. They're currently working on their website, but in the meantime, you can click that link. It will take you to their Facebook page, and you can message them directly. Tell them that you want to order Samantha, that you saw Sandy's YouTube review, and they'll take care of you there. They also have other wigs to choose from. They have brunettes as well as reds, and as I mentioned earlier, you can order it in different lengths, cap styles, and sizes. Thank you so much for watching. I really believe that you will be pleased with the option of a affordable human hair wig. You're getting all the qualities. You're getting the 100% Remy Brazilian human hair. You're getting a very comfortable cap and a really realistic hairline. Okay, y'all, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will come back and visit. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. That way you never miss any of my wig related content. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.